Is advertising as we know it changing? How does AI fit into this new advertising landscape? Today we're witnessing an exciting shift in the advertising world. Gone are the days of relying solely on eye-catching graphics and catchy phrases. Now, we're leveraging the game-changing power of artificial intelligence. AI allows us to dive deep into customer data, understand patterns, and better comprehend their preferences. But don't be mistaken. AI's role in digital advertising doesn't end with data analysis. It's a tool for swiftly and effectively crafting ad creatives. What exactly is an ad creative? It's the spotlight of your advertisement, the element that draws the viewer in and nudges them to act. It's not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. It has several components, each playing a key role. First, there are visuals, images, videos, and graphics that capture attention, make your ad stand out, and give your audience something to remember. Next, we have the copy or text. These are the words that adorn your ad, meticulously crafted to persuade, to stir emotions, and to guide your audience towards a designated action. Lastly, we have the call to action or CTA. This is the final prompt, the guiding light that shows your viewer the next step, be it click here, learn more, or book a call. The magic of AI lies in its ability to understand user preferences, to learn from them, and to use those insights to craft ad creatives that are not only engaging but also effective in driving conversions. Given AI's adeptness at gauging user preferences, it can craft creatives that engage your audience and drive conversions. Now imagine having a versatile AI companion dedicated to enhancing your marketing endeavors. This isn't just a dream, but a reality with MarketingBlocks. MarketingBlocks is not merely a tool, it's a revolutionary platform designed to elevate your ad campaigns, making them more engaging and yielding better returns. It's like having a virtual marketing guru at your disposal, one that's available around the clock and is tirelessly dedicated to your success. With MarketingBlocks, you can craft persuasive ad copies that truly resonate with your audience, cutting through the noise and making a meaningful impact. You can produce dynamic videos that captivate and heighten customer interest, transforming casual viewers into dedicated followers. And you can design dazzling visuals that perfectly embody your product, creating an irresistible allure that draws consumers in. With MarketingBlocks, you're armed with everything, from eye-catching banners and resonant ad copies to immersive videos, all AI-driven. It's time to embrace the future of advertising with MarketingBlocks at your side. Seize this unparalleled opportunity. Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your tasks, but revolutionizes them, making your campaigns more engaging and profitable. With MarketingBlocks, you're not just surviving the digital advertising landscape, you're conquering it. You're crafting persuasive ad copies, producing dynamic videos, and designing dazzling visuals, all AI-driven. Don't just imagine it, live it. Check the link in the description to register for your free access to MarketingBlocks. Welcome to the future of advertising.